Hey guys, what are you doing? You going for a boat ride?
Yeah, in a water boat.
What do you got here? Didn't you know you're supposed to put the boat in the water?
Yeah.
Not the water in the boat? How's that feel? Cold?
My socks are filled with water.
Your boots are too now. Are now too.
Water.
Water. Yeah.
Daddy.
Why did you make my boat into a swimming pool?
Daddy, he wanted to. My socks are filled with water, right? Mine. It doesn't feel cool to us at all. But it's cool, alright. Dad, look at me.
I see.
Dad, look. I would like to try sitting.
Giselle, what are you doing? Why don't you take your coat off?